how you could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a
Zoology.
Turn your engine off.
Number.
You have to turn it off?
Huh?
Engine.
Yeah. It says that?
Yes, sir. Can I help you?
What should say?
Can we get
I can't hear you.
Can we get tickets for the
You got 2 adults?
Yes.
Okay. Any kids?
No.
You want any food to feed the animals?
Yes.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
How many bowls?
2?
2?
That's what it looks.
Okay. 2 bowls.
Okay, it's it.
Okay, altogether, so it's $47.82 with tax.
Okay. This is the bowl, guys.
Man, we got here said parking 3. See? Wait.
Have you been here before?
No,
No.
first time.
Here's your $12 change.
Okay.
18 cents. There's some more right there. Okay, you're gonna go over the cattle guard right here. Go all the way to the end of the road. When you get to the end of the road, take the left. Go over the next cattle guard, and you're gonna go up to that big barn up on the hill. Park along the fence, and you're gonna go catch your train around the park.
Okay. Okay. So go all the way down. Go to the left.
Yeah,
And then go
all the way down
down.
and take the left. It'll go around to the left.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, this should creep me out. Man, what? She said this turn all the way down, right?
Oh shit. Yeah. Go all the way down. I'm putting these on the ground. Wait, let me zoom back out.
Ooh. Oh, there's my we in the country shit, man. What's up, BB gang? It's your boy Javon,
It's your girl Shavon
and we got back with another video.
with another vlog.
I thought you was gonna say it, but yeah, what we doing today, babe?
So guys, today we are going out of our comfort zone.
Well, you is not me.
Me, for sure, 100% going out of my comfort zone. We are at the, it's like a drive-through zoo.
But this time it's not. Well, yeah. But this time we're not gonna actually doing the driving, huh? We're gonna be on the train.
Yeah, so we're gonna
So
be
they
on
actually
the
have an actual drive-through one, and then but the one that we at today is like a train, so we're not gonna be driving. But we're still gonna be feeding the animals and showing you guys. That's fun.
Yeah, we're just gonna be on like a little train. Well, not a train, but it's called a tram.
Oh, train? Oh, that's a train.
I think it's called a tram. Yeah, tram.
But yeah, guys, I just want to say, we're in the country, we're in the woods, we're in the animals, we don't know where we're in the middle of nowhere. I don't know, we're somewhere. You guys, we from the video, you guys gonna join with us, and we're gonna show you guys what we got. And it's currently 122. It's currently beaming outside. It's currently 96 degrees right now. It's gonna be hot. It's hot.
I'm glad I wore shorts.
Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. No, don't say nothing. We don't talk about it. But without further ado, guys, make sure you guys like, comment. Oh, my silence is bothering me. But without further ado, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, comment down below. All that fun good stuff. You already know what's up. But like, comment, subscribe. You know, I ain't gonna repeat it again. But without further ado, guys, journey with us as we finna go feed some animals and have a little fun. All right. So guys, I'm gonna be commentating for today, guys. Today, as you guys can see right there, it says that's the red kangaroo from Australia. So right, come closer, guys. Come closer, guys.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Closer, guys.
I'm sorry.
Look at me, guys.
I'm sorry.
So guys, you can see it's right there, the red kangaroo. Scratching his arm. I don't know what it's scratching, but yeah, he's digging up into something right there.
Oh, wait, I can't get it.
Guys, I'm sweating right now. So guys, right here we got some food and stuff to feed the animals. We can't feed them right now, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, they're looking at us. Look, they're looking at, I don't know if you guys can see, but they're looking at us like we're crazy or something. I don't know if you guys can see. Guys, gentlemen, come on, guys, come on with me, guys. As you guys can see, we got some black, whatever.
Black swan.
Yeah, black swan from Australia, guys. You know what I'm saying? They're right there. They're scratching and then, yeah, hope you guys can see that. Guys, you can see we got some black, whatever. Yeah, black swan from Australia, guys. You know what I'm saying? They're right there. They're scratching and then, yeah, from Australia, guys. You know what I'm saying? They're right there. They're scratching and then, yeah, Yeah, and some other stuff down there. So guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be your guys commentator today. I'm
narrator.
Javon. Yeah, narrator or whatever you call it. Join with us, guys. How's we doing for the BB game vlog?
BB game.
You'll be right back.
No. They didn't tell us the animals are gonna be on the list. Oh, is that a donkey? Look, this donkey from Shrek.
You guys can sit right here, man. The number, yeah, you know what I mean. You got the the boy right there.
It's a donkey.
The donkey right here. The donkey playing crack.
Should put on some mosquito spray. So,
What do we do right now? What do we do right now?
alright guys, we are on the train right now. They have locked us in. You see the gate is locked. We are locked in. Wait, are you ready?
No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready to
Uh-oh. We're moving.
Ready up. Oh, it's running now?
Yeah.
What you did?
Nothing. Yo!
Hold on tight. To the wobble.
Oh. Whoa.
Hold on to your bowls tight. You got a great big old long tongue.
He said, hold on to your bowls. Hold up. You got me?
There's only like 350 of them left in the bag. We have 5 of them out here.
Look how big
We have
this thing
two big
is.
females we call Bucky and Rilla.
Now,
The down kind of like the way their eyes look. Their noses stay damp and cool in the summertime.
Hold on, babe. Hold on
Their
tight.
body's cool because they sweat a lot
hold it tight.
and make a big heavy lather.
Wow. Do not grab his horn, babe. Okay, pull it back.
All right, my guy. Good one.
Ooh.
Ooh, crap, boy.
You got it, babe.
All right, boy.
You got it.
All right, boy. Yeah, big boy.
And that spiny deer out
Yeah,
there,
big boy.
Yeah, big one.
deer from Japan.
Yeah, big boy.
He likes you. Oh my. He's like, no.
Then we have, I call them Texas chickens,
All right, boy.
but they are buzzing.
All right, boy. I see you, man.
They're native to right here in Texas.
Well,
Billy Bob. Billy Bob.
no, you don't want him down here.
Have a tram ride.
We do this.
Make sure his cousin don't come behind me.
Boy, those. Yeah, nice boy. Nice boy.
Bells are black and white.
Watch my hand, boy.
You notice on these Indians and ostriches,
Babe, watch for that big one back there.
You big one.
The one that's coming up.
bend forward.
All right, boy. Bye, boy.
Just don't follow us, please. Oh, baby,
This
baby.
move.
Babe,
Size of an ostrich's brain, the size of a green pea.
can he go? Can he go?
Smaller than an eyeball.
But he's like looking at you like,
recording?
yes. I know that's right.
Wally, boy.
Ostriches can run up to 40 miles an hour.
Babe, he trying to open it. No, leave him alone. Leave him alone.
In consume too much, you don't want no more food.
Yeah, he don't want no more.
Indians are normally larger than the male.
Y'all, I am
I'm
terrified
not
of
quite sure what
ostriches.
kind of bird this is, but he's an excellent fisherman.
I'm scared.
Bye, boy.
I'm
scared. Look how he's just looking at us.
As you come by, you see him with about 15-inch catfish in his mouth.
This one is huge.
It's a blue heron.
They are so aggressive.
Yeah, it's a blue heron.
Oh,
That boy's fast, huh?
yes. Y'all, look at baby's bowl. This is my bowl.
Man, you ain't touch your ball,
This is
man.
my bowl.
Show me, guys. She's so scared.
I'm
See, you not
terrified.
gonna fuck with it?
I'll feed somebody when they a little nice.
All them gonna be aggressive.
Also, the males are down.
I'm terrified of ostriches.
ostriches.
I'm terrified of ostriches.
Yo, I thought he was gonna poke my hand.
That's what I thought
He was
too.
king. I was like, oh.
And then the way he was looking at you, I said the way he was looking at
I don't know if he was friendly or mean, but he was.
man, no.
Which ones are gonna come up and eat out of any given tram?
Scoot back some more. I need some room.
Began to a bunch of
This girl here, guys. Oh my god.
Jackie, you feed her?
Feed him.
No.
You can actually buy emu oil.
Hey, she's scared to feed it. Give me.
Called blue emu.
Wait, wait, feed him.
Then we have a llama. We got Sunday morning right here at the tram. Brown mama llama
At first.
on this
Wait, you
side
too
of the
scared. You gotta feed them.
I'm trying.
and Molly.
Is that a black?
Yeah.
What?
There are llamas from Peru and Argentina.
He's not gonna stop. I don't think he's gonna stop.
The llamas we use are pack
Why is he
animals.
walking like that? Man, why are these vultures keep following us?
They coming. Oh my
The big
god.
males carry up
Oh,
to
three of them, man. We
100
under attack, baby.
if they want to,
We under attack.
but sometimes they just refuse
Guys, we're under attack.
to take the first
We're under attack. We're under attack.
assignment.
Ooh, that's still coming. Let me see. Give him holy camera. Holy camera.
Yeah, hold him. I mean, get him that way. Oh, they all coming to bathe. That's good.
Come on, bite. Bite. Boy, don't be aggressive, boy. There you go, buddy. Good boy.
Just do not attract. Here come my llama, baby.
Look at him, food, brother. He ain't hungry. He's trying to take my whole stuff. He's trying to take my whole food. Go have some food, man.
Oh. Hi.
Here you go, man.
Babe, don't throw it in his face.
Oh, shit. My bad.
Okay, I'll feed the next one. Babe, look at them damn ostriches. That's the ancestors right there.
Man, that fast. Guys, y'all see that man trying to eat my food? He's trying to take a whole
Where's all these ostriches coming from? Why they have so many ostriches? Do not stop. Mister, do not stop. Keep going. Keep going. No. Do not get up. Do not get up. Babe, stop throwing food.
They call that because it's
Pulling up to some- what's it- what's it
12
called?
years old.
Zebra.
They call that because
Pulling up to some. What's it? What's
12
it?
years old.
Zebra. Zebra.
You said a zebra. That's your ass.
10 to 12 inch tall.
You can't feed them. Them
We
boys
got
tall.
He's about 4. Female giraffe can breed after about 5 years. And we got Jacob, he's about 5.5. I'd say the reticular giraffe. The giraffe, they run a blood pressure of 260 over 160.
Thanks. It's not heavy, Jeff.
Put your hand up. Put it up. You gotta hold it tight, baby. You
If
gotta hold
it
it
lick
tight.
me, I'm done.
Baby, you gotta hold it tight.
No,
Hold it
okay.
tight.
Okay, I quit.
There's this shit, black. Oh, he's not even hungry. No, he's not hungry.
Wait, let me see it, Holly. Actually, she's not heavy at all.
Alright, we're at the end of our tram ride. That's all arms, elbows in. Let's break
We
it
should just got one.
Yeah, for real.
They throw the whole bucket out to him. Throw it like, just throw it back.
Put that bitch in there, baby. Video. Look at that guy. Look, we just came from that guy. Look.
Thank y'all for coming out here to buy my line of food.
Whew, babe, we got a lot of food left.
I know, guys.
What we do with it?
Guys, look at all this food they have, guys. Look at all this food. Just sitting there. Oh my God.
Well, inside the barn, check out Stephanie on Big Giraffe.
What time is it, baby?
Jim.
Alright guys, we are done with the ride. We are about to go to the giraffe and the, what is this? A goat? We're going to the goats. We're gonna try to get rid of this food because look, we got a bucket and a half left. So we're gonna try to get rid of this food.
Then you want to go in there?
Oh Lord, I'm scared, but we can go. Lord, you don't want me to try some daredevil type of stuff. We can go in here. We can feed them. Give me the half bucket. You can take the whole.
You said I was going in there. You said I was going in there.
You going in there too if I go in there? You gotta protect me. Look, 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 look.
It's hot, B. It's hot, B.
Up.
Come on, get closer.
Shit. You trapped in me.
You doing it? Them hold it?
Yeah, you can hold it. I will drop it. I'm not gonna.
Guys, look, guys, feet in there. Goatees. Watch my hand, boy. I'll slap you. Ooh, boy, you hungry, boy. You hungry, boy. You hungry, boy. Baby, come some more. Come some more. Ooh, baby, you know.
This is the only one I'm feeding today. That's it.
You look like a guy you could dream.
Boy, you hungry, boy. Hungry, boy. Yeah, boy. Free food, boy.
Take a chance with me, right?
Boy.
I could be the best thing in your life.
All right, boy. You got, boy.
You look like a guy you could dream.
Huh?
Never mind.
Want some more, boy? Eat up, man. You got all this food for you, boy. Eat up, boy. Oh, boy, don't fight in front of me now, man. Move.
Babe.
They attack you?
Yes.
Bro, they attack you, man. Hey, y'all don't fight in front of me, man. Hmm? Babe, come on. Take it out. Just take it out. I'll feed it. Hold it. Hold this camera. I'll feed it. Turn the camera over.
Okay.
Man, y'all boys wildin', man.
Babe, I'm about to drop this bucket and
Y'all boys
leave.
wildin', boy. Man, y'all boys wildin',
Babe, it's a
man.
whole pig in here. Guys, look at this so I don't feed. Babe, it's a pig in here. We gotta.
Hold on, man.
Yo, it won't move. Look, look. What? 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 Babe, I wanna go.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life.
Babe, get him away from me.
Look at here, guys. Just let it go, man. Let it go. Walk around.
I
Go.
can't.
Don't open the gate.
Scared.
Can't.
Babe, get him away.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Man, this is time, babe. Go, babe. Man, no fighting, man. Y'all
Yeah, I'm videoing you, babe. Bro, it's a whole big ass pig. It's another big one. He the main one. That's the one we fed when we came in here.
Be the best thing in your life.
We can't even get to them over there. Cause these over here. Babe, push him this. What? I ain't see it. What he do? He about to bite you. I know you ain't gonna be biting my man like that. Tuh. I'm gonna go get his daddy on you.
Hey, man, y'all ain't gonna try me in this motherfucker.
Babe, go like right there and then drop the bucket.
Get me a thumbnail to that.
Hmm?
You got me singing.
Babe, I'm recording it.
You could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your
Babe, you look like you hurting.
You got me singing.
What? Whoa.
Look like a guy you could treat me
Okay.
right.
Babe, I don't.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive,
Yeah, guys. Come on.
They're chilling. Babe, I love you, but you stop bringing niggas over here. Okay. This is why I don't feed animals. Oh, look at the baby. Bless you. He coming back. I don't have any. I do not have any. Don't come over here. Oh, baby, it's a baby. Get the baby. Oh, wait, he about to headbutt you. He about to headbutt you. Get the baby. Oh, wait, he about to headbutt you. He about to headbutt you. Babe, do not put him over here. I'm getting too close to the pig. I'm getting too close to the pig. I need you to pull him back. Ah! Babe. Ooh, ooh. Babe, the babies are unpredictable. Get this baby away from me. But he gonna bite my ass. Babe, can you get this one away so we can go? This one is trying to hit. Okay, I don't have any. I don't have any. I don't have any. Babe, please, let's go. Babe, let's go. Babe, can we go, please? Babe, drop the food. Can we get the zoo people? Can we get the zoo people? Can we get the zoo people? Yes. I'm terrified.
Babe, don't go near them.
Babe, what if he charges us? Babe, he coming.
Alright, you win, bitch.
Babe, get us out.
Come on, babe.
Huh? I'm scared. Yo, I am trapped. I'm trying. Let's go.
Go, go.
Oh, Lord. I got sand in the shoe.
Them boys, guys, they're coming close to the flower, guys. They're coming so close to the flower now.
You just breathe. Why you can't let the babies have some? The babies don't
I ain't going there, man. But whatever the thing is,
I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive.
Are you actually eating something? Alright guys, so yeah. We close at 3 and it's about 10:50 something.
10 minutes to 3 she made. Not no 10:50.
I mean, y'all know what I mean. 10 minutes to 3. So yeah guys, this is a fun experience for both of us. We've never done anything like this. I know that I have never done anything like this. This is way out of my comfort zone. As y'all can see from this vlog.
She didn't want to feed no animals.
I didn't feed nothing because they're aggressive. I'm not an aggressive person. I'm very gentle, and yeah, I like for people to be gentle with me, and the animals was not gentle at all. They didn't look gentle at all. So yeah guys, we had a fun time. We had 2 bowls of food. Really, we could have just got 1, to be honest with you. We're entering the car that feels like the Sahara Desert. Woo! Okay, so yeah guys, we are entering the car. Lord. Alright guys, so yeah. Babe, what was your experience? He fed almost all the animals. He fed almost all of them.
Yeah.
Well, all the ones that would come to the cart, the little train thingy, he fed them. I didn't feed none of them.
If you guys want to come here, make sure you guys bring your wipes.
Wipes
Man.
for your face, neck, body, hands, everything.
And take a shower when you go home.
Yes. Oh, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for this shower. I'm waiting. I'm about to pull this wig off and get with it, okay? So yeah guys, this was a fun vlog. I hope you all like it. If you like this vlog, comment in the comment section. Comment some animals, some animal emojis, comment some hearts, some thumbs up and all that stuff, and actually hit that like button as well. Push that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time we post a video. Subscribe to this channel. I don't know if we said that already. Subscribe to the channel. And yeah guys, BB Gang out. You got something to say?
Out! Much more.
Out.